Now, let's be honest, owning a Ducati Panigale V2 in traffic-laden roads of India is like wearing a tuxedo to a dhaba. But here's the catch. The Panigale V2 has always been Ducati's answer to a simple question. What if you want the drama of a superbike without needing a MotoGP contract? But this one is different. Because for 2025, Ducati didn't just update the V2. They started again, from scratch. Here's what the Ducati Panigale V2 offers. Now, gone is the old Superquadro engine that powered generations of Panigales. It comes with an all-new 890cc V-twin with variable valve timing. Less power than before, but more usable power. And trust me, on an Indian road, usable beats outrageous every single day. Now, the old Panigale was like an Italian chef throwing cutlery at you, and the new one still speaks Italian, but now it's willing to have a conversation. And that's the magic here. This motorcycle doesn't try to intimidate you every second. The torque arrives smoothly, the quick shifter is delightful, the electronics are smart, and unlike litre-class superbikes, you can actually stretch its legs without immediately running out of road. But make no mistake, this isn't a beginner's motorcycle. Not remotely. At 120 horsepower and weighing just 179 kilograms, this thing gathers speed with alarming enthusiasm. The Panigale V2 demands three things: skill, patience, respect. Bring all three and it will reward you. Miss one and it'll remind you who's the boss. Now, you don't ride a Panigale to basically get somewhere. You basically ride it because you want every kilometer to feel like an event. Now, let's talk about what's brilliant. The design is gorgeous. The V-twin character feels unmistakably Ducati. The weight reduction is immediately noticeable, and for many riders, this could actually be the sweet spot in Ducati's Sportbike range. Fast enough to thrill, approachable enough to enjoy, exotic enough to turn every fuel stop into a conversation. Now, here's what we liked. The new V2 engine character, massive weight saving, electronics package, everyday usability, and stunning design. But it's not perfect. Some enthusiasts will miss the manic top-end rush of the old 155 horsepower V2. Others may look at the spec sheet and wonder why a Panigale now makes only 120 horsepower. And if you are chasing lap records or rides to brag at every coffee meet, you'll still end up looking at the V4. Now, what could have been better? Less peak power than predecessor. Pursuits may miss the old Superquadro drama. Serious riders may still want the V4. Now, if your goal is speed, there are faster motorcycles available in the Indian market. But if your goal is emotion, this starts making a lot more sense. So who should buy one? Not first-time superbike riders, not spec sheet warriors, not people looking for practicality. This is for someone who's worked their way up, someone who understands that performance isn't just horsepower, it's connection, character, and confidence. Honestly, Ducati Panigale V2S is irrational, impractical, and occasionally excessive. But that is exactly what makes it special. This might not be the fastest Ducati that you can buy, but this might be the one that you enjoy the most. The new Panigale V2 doesn't chase bigger numbers. It chases a better riding experience. And in a world obsessed with more power, that's surprisingly a bold move.